How to show sensitive content on Telegram. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can show sensitive content on Telegram. So how can you show sensitive content? It is very simple. The first step is to log in into your Telegram account. Okay, so let's log in. So once you're logged in into your Telegram account, you will be brought to the Telegram page automatically. Now, once you're on this page, you'd see all of your chats, right? All of your messages, your folders, as well as your stories. Okay, that is stories that your friends have posted and the ones that you've posted as well. So once you can see this, the next step is to move to the top left corner where you can see three horizontal dashes. Once you see it, click on it. Once you click on it, a box will be displayed. In this box, you will see options like My Stories, Wallet, New Groups, Contact, Calls, People Nearby, Saved Messages, Settings. You just click on Settings. Now, once you click on Settings, you'll be brought to the Settings page. On this page, you'll see your profile name, you'll see photo, you'll see other functions as well. So you can just scroll down and then click on Privacy and Security. So once you click on Privacy and Security, you'll be brought to the Privacy and Securities page. And by the time you scroll down, um you should see the option sensitive content in here. Now the reason why it is not being displayed here is because in the new version of Telegram, the function or the ability to enable sensitive content has been removed. That is, that particular feature is no longer available on Telegram. If it were to be before, that is the earliest version of Telegram, the option to enable sensitive content was there, but now in the new version of Telegram, it has been removed. So you can no longer enable sensitive content on Telegram. So this is what I'm trying to inform you. So I'm sorry, but that is the feature that Telegram has put in place. So thanks for watching and have a nice day.